This 2024 Heartland Cyclone 4014C is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Tallahassee, Florida 32304 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Tallahassee. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.